Welcome back, Kevin's Mobile Repair, doing a 2010 Ford Excursion AC condenser. There's our old one. I'll show you what I did to get this bad boy out. So we've got the grill that's going to sit here. Your grill is going to have a couple of 8mm bolts up at the top, and then it will slide out from forward from this way. It's gonna have these little tabs, so if you push towards the back and out towards the front, the grill piece will come out. This is your, I believe, transmission or power steering cooler, one of the two. Either way, it's a cooler. It sits in this little trough. You will bend this little tab back, it'll come out this way and come out from that way and just sit down and out of the way. Luckily mine, all the Freon was already gone because we had a leak down here in the corner of the condenser, which you can see a video for how I tested and found that out. Just get two 13 nuts, take them off, place your O-rings. The condenser piece, see this little plastic right here? The condenser will come out with that plastic housing attached, and you'll just switch it over from old one to new one. I've seen a couple of service manuals and stuff where they want you to take out the headlight assemblies to get to things on the side, whatever like that, but I did not need to do so. So we've got 13 here, 13 back here behind the horn. You can't really see, but you can see these real well. Two 13s here and 13 here. Take all three of those out, and this bracket piece will pull forward. It will pull forward enough that you can get this stuff past and out of the way. Right through here are going to be two 10s, which are going to come in from this direction. This is for your radiator, so you can move your radiator back. You pull this forward, it'll give you enough room where you can slide the whole AC condenser right up out of the resting area. So see this little clip right here? This one here just sits in, the condenser sits in the trough, and this one here, this little clip, you push in on it and then you can lift it up because that's the locking tab. You got one on each side. So you're gonna use like a screwdriver, push it in, pull it up, and then get it out that way. Your block here for your fuses and such, you got 1, 2, 3, 4 10s, move it out of the way. That'll give you room so that the radiator can push that way. And then you have two, I believe this is, and again, power steering, I don't know. You got two hoses right here that you'll just attach, detach. So one here, move them out of the way. I found what they do with the other one. It's down here somewhere. There it is. Woohoo! Just move those out of the way. I did take off the air filter housing a little bit easier to get to the 10 here for the radiator, which I'll be putting those back here in just a second. But push the radiator back, pull this whole assembly forward a couple of inches, and then you can slide the AC condenser with all the plastic housing and stuff out. Didn't have to take off the headlights, although this guy needs it. A little bit of water. So I'll be recommending that to him. Go back together, same direction. Questions, comments? Please feel free to let me know.